Today, I'm going to tell you a short, magical story about two best friends, A and Ann. Once upon a time, in Alphabet Land, there lived two tiny helpers named A and Ann. They loved helping words. Every word wanted one of them to go in front, but they had a rule. Yellow A said, "I like words that start with strong sounds, like B, C, D, and T. I go with words like a ball, a cat, a dog, a toy." Pink Ann giggled and said, "I like words that start with soft vowel sounds, those pretty letters, A, E, I, O, and U." So she went with words like an apple, an elephant, an ice cream, an orange, and umbrella. They both worked together to make sentences sound just right. So remember, my little learners, when a word starts with A, E, I, O, or U, call Ann to help. And when it starts with any other letter, call A to help. Now, let's play a game. I'll say a word and you shout whether it's A or Ann. Ready? We use A when the next word starts with a sound like a letter that is not a vowel. For example, a cap, a cat, a ball. And we use Ann when the next word starts with a vowel sound. That means the letters A, E, I, O, or U. For example, an apple, an elephant, an ice cream, an octopus, an umbrella. So remember, if it begins with A, E, I, O, or U, we say Ann. If not, we say a. Ant, an ant. Glass, a glass. Igloo, an igloo. Bell, a bell. Ear, an ear. Owl, an owl. Duck, a duck. Ice cream, an ice cream. Bottle, a bottle. Hat, a hat. Egg, an egg. Kettle, a kettle. Cat, a cat. Car, a car. Mango, a mango. Umbrella, an umbrella. Pencil, a pencil. Orange, an orange. Elephant, an elephant. apple, an apple. Onion, an onion.